Good morning. We're at breakfast.
The second bowl of Fruit Loops.
Second?
I've had that every morning we've been here.
Oh, it was third.
And it was piled high. No, it was second, but she did have a plate of fruit first.
Okay,
Yeah.
plate of fruit, and then it went loopy. A bit late.
Because that's what I do every morning.
So the plan for today is we've hired a car. It's in the car park with our stuff in it, and then we popped up to breakfast. Always an important start of the day. We are going around the island. So we are going to the south of the island, to the national park and lighthouse area, and having a little look there. And then we're going to stop at Bamboo Beach and have a look at that beach, which is maybe one of the best on the island. And then we are going to probably walk up to a waterfall.
Waterfall.
Probably with a guide.
Probably with a swim.
And then we are going to Old Lanta, which was the capital, but after the tsunami in 2004, the water levels changed, which meant that you couldn't really get the boats into Old Lanta in the way they used to. So,
Yesterday I got some rays. I got 4 rays.
wow. We had a lovely day for our anniversary.
So pretty.
They have like flats and then at the bottom it's beads.
Can you show her boots?
Yeah, I did.
Very pretty. I haven't got any. I have got mosquito bites.
So how was yesterday, Ruth?
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah.
Except for knees in your back.
We got up at 4:15. And we
Anniversary, get up in the middle of the night.
and we went to amazing sunrise mangrove. What's this called?
Wonderful.
Gondola tour with breakfast. Oh my goodness, the breakfast! It was a bit of fish that looked like fish, and it was crispy and it tasted like fish. And rice, all wrapped up in like a leafy thing, which you enjoyed and I ate.
It was good. It was real good.
And then they had some nice sweet stuff wrapped up in a leaf, which we both enjoyed, didn't we?
Yeah, but I still had to come back to have normal breakfast.
We did. We had second breakfast yesterday. Well, the first breakfast was at like 6:30.
Yeah.
So
So that was more like a midnight feast by UK time.
so we did that, and then we came back and chilled out by the pool. I went for a 4K wander around the resort.
And we went for a swim. Oh, he's just passed the phone to me while he eats his eggs Benedict. Then what did we do? Oh yes, we went to the spa. Andy and I had, and Miriam went to the kids club. Yes, it is. And we had a massage. How was it? It wasn't rubbish. How was the massage, Bill?
Brutal. Yeah, so I needed a massage just to out my lower back after Camino. This morning, my lower back is feeling the effects of being brutalised by the Thai masseur.
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Knees in your back.
Yeah, knees were in places and
Hands.
feet were in places, and we were stretched. My bits of my body moved in places that I don't think they. Well, they're certainly not used to doing, and I'm not sure they ought to be. But like one arm up here and one round there, and goodness knows what. And then
One head.
What else did we do yesterday?
We had a very nice couple of cocktails at happy hour.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Oh,
a sunset, an incredible sunset.
Yeah.
One of the best sunsets I've ever seen. The
Then-
colours was superb.
And then I had pizza and chips.
Yeah, we wandered down and got a takeaway from Same but Different, it's called. really lovely. Oh, we need to pay them today.
We do.
They didn't take cards and we need to get more cash. And Miriam had pizza and chips and we took it back and had a lovely little takeaway on our veranda, would you call it?
Then I went
Veranda,
to sleep.
right by the pool. In fact, I almost walked straight into the pool, forgetting that it was there. Because the veranda just sort of goes straight level with an infinity pool. And,
So it's a lovely day.
I jumped up to go and get something and nearly went straight in the pool, which would have
Made us giggle, wouldn't it?
would have made my noodles soggy.
When Daddy got back from his really long walk, when we were in the pool, just before we were gonna get out, with Daddy's clothes on and his shoes, he jumped in the pool over Mummy. I didn't mind because I was just gonna jump over Mummy anyway too.
Deary me.
I was a
Right,
bit hot and sweaty.
we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Back on the buggy, heading down for the day out. Tell you what, they've got a lot of rhubarb around here. What's the name's that?
The one that you say instead of Gunner.
No, not with you. So we've come down to the rocky beach and the sandy beach down by the lighthouse. Lighthouse is just there. Gonna have a wander along this beach in a minute. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Look at that picture perfect. But let's go up to the top and see what it's like up there. Come on, guys. Miriam's gonna lead the way. Give us a hello. Hello, you two.
Hello.
What are we doing?
This water is just fine and the sand is so soft. And it's so hot. I've got my clever little fan.
Have a look at this. One of the best beaches I've ever been on. Lots of little hermit crabs running around, ghost crabs. The water, the seawater is so warm. There's no little bit of jarring on your feet as you step in. Just the most gorgeous place. What's it like, Mary?
Really good.
This little hermit crab here. Look at that, turned into a stone. Little hermit crab carrying his home with him.
someone's got a baby as well. Everybody got babies today. Hello, show us your baby. Oh, look at the baby in the tree. Oh, can I get that?
There's loads of babies in the tree. I see 3. Oh, there's another piggy. Without a baby.
Oh, yes, up high I see those ones.
So the chap selling the drinks just cut the top off.
Do you know what it could be? It's
Mmm.
A bit silhouetted here, but there we are.
Oh, coconut flesh is lovely. Mmm. Absolutely full of juice.
nice. Oh my goodness.
Delish.
And where are we, Andy?
On a bamboo bay, bamboo beach, for Lanta. Have a little bit of she loves it.
She's got a mango juice instead. It's very refreshing though.
Miriam's got nice mangoes, and I've got lovely coconut.
No, this is perfect, and that's horrible.
So we're just doing a walk up to the waterfall through the rainforest, walking along through the river, just seen a python up in the tree. From our guide here. What's your name?
Eve.
Eve, of course, sorry. So this is Eve, who is taking us on our walk this morning, or this afternoon. And it's hot, it's humid, and there's scorpions and spiders, there's other snakes around, and we're hoping to see some of those things as we head up to have a shower in the waterfall.
And monkeys.
And lots of monkeys.
Yeah, loads and loads.
Loads of monkeys.
Should we be putting our trainers back on?
So here we are at the Bat Cave, or Banyan Tree Cave, with a banyan tree growing right out the top of it. Just amazing.
This here, this from the tree, maybe 500 years old, this from the tree.
Really?
Yes, 500 years.
Amazing tree.
One more here, this from the roots, this from the tree, from the roots.
Oh, it's come all the way down, yeah. All the way down
Big,
there.
this from the roots.
Yeah.
You see, this from the rock here, look like from the home, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see, look like from the home.
Oh, look at the roots. That's
Yeah.
better.
Coming right the way down through. Shows how strong they are. In the banyan tree up here we have bats up on the roof.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. Inside this cave system.
That is amazing.
Fantastic. Okay, how are we enjoying this, folks?
Really exciting. A little bit scary.
Yeah, a bit scary.
But pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And Eve is doing a great job. Look at these bats. Amazing. Having a sleep.
Skin, you know, skin.
Here we have a scorpion.
Yes.
That can kill you. Amazing. Look at that.
Have poison this.
Oh, it's a big poisonous spider.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, so we just touched my leg.
Yeah. Wow.
How big is that?
I see this, the same hand, this one not and big one.
It's okay. I know you're so
What sort of spider?
Got you. That's
Wow,
just
take a look at the size of that spider. Bigger than your hand.
Yes.
Big frog.
Frog.
That is a big frog.
Massive frog. Is that a poisonous frog?
No, only have poison. Look like you itchy. The same this.
Stalactites are all the way down.
Stalactites hang down like a tight stick, and stalagmites go up because they
These
might.
calcium deposits falling through the rock. You can see it's dripping.
And this here from start like this. We come here. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. You don't know.
Oh,
Look
okay.
like this.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
look like from the tree we come down.
Yeah.
And me work. Me can make it from the guy here. 10 years. Maybe the same this.
Wow.
You see 10 years, not in big. No?
Right.
Wow. That is.
Really big banyan tree. Maybe 1,000 years old. Just amazing. Beautiful mushrooms. The horn spider.
Yes, the home spider. Big one, you know. This from here have poison.
Wow.
Okay.
Sometimes from here have raining, have mushroom from here. You could can eating mushroom from here.
Okay.
And we can eating for mushroom.
This in here is termite mound.
This big little mountain.
Wow. Plenty of these really spiky trees around. Got to be a bit careful you don't catch yourself on it. Yeah. Ant nests attached to the backs of the leaves here. See loads of ants all over them. Check out this web and check out the spider in it. Wow. That is. What sort of spider?
This only have, I don't know this from the.
Quite a good looking little caterpillar going on there. We have made it to the waterfall. Look at that, beautiful. What a walk that was. We're still alive. Someone's enjoying themselves.
Okay, here we are at the waterfall. Had some session with the husband. Look at that.
Keep going. Drops a little bit here, just a little bit. Like a tortoise. Monkey, 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 monkey crossing.
There he is in the tree.
here, Mira. This path.
Oh, must we get some food when that's not-
Yeah.
Really nice ones, sir. Extra.
Come to Lanta Old Town. It's all rather nice and pleasant, quite touristy. Lots of little shops to buy things in. Bought a few bits, a couple of bracelets. I bought a little sports top.
Miriam's bought a couple of elephants.
Miriam's bought a couple of elephants.
They're not elephants.
What were they?
They're turtles.
Oh, were they turtles?
Okay. Right,
Purple.
and
We're about to get run over by a tuk-tuk and a bike.
this way. Just walking down the pier in Old Town Koh Lanta. And stunning views, like a mill pond out there this evening. Absolutely beautiful. As are those two. Done a bit of shopping, bought a few little bits, and now going to head off just after we walk down to the end to go and watch the sunset on the other side of the island on our way back to Pemulai. Let's just take this in and have a little look. Just beautiful.
So here we are on Long Beach, watching the sunset. Uh-oh, here comes a big one! Woo!
Look, we come back to our room. We have got a welcome entourage. Hey, hello Lizzie. Lizzie the lizard. Yeah, off you go. There you
Thank
go.
you, Lizzie.
Bye bye.